In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable search suggestion on Google Chrome. If you're tired of seeing Google guess what you're about to type, or you don't like having trending or personalized searches pop up as you use the address bar, this walkthrough will help you turn that off. We'll go step by step, and you can follow along in Chrome on your computer or on your phone. First, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. You don't need to search for anything yet. Just make sure you're on the Google homepage. It's important that you're on the main Google site because the settings we need are linked from there. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom. There, you'll see a row of links. Look for the one labeled Settings and click it. A small menu will open. From that menu, choose Search Settings. This will open a new page where Google lets you control how search behaves for your account and your browser. On the Search Settings page, look over to the left-hand side. You should see a menu with different sections. Find and click on Other Settings. This is where Google keeps options that affect things like suggestions and recommendations. Inside the Other Settings section, look for the part labeled Desktop if you're on a computer, or Android, or iOS if you're on a phone or tablet. Under that heading, you'll see an option called Autocomplete with Trending Searches. This is what controls those popular or trending search suggestions that appear before you even finish typing. Turn this option off. Once you do that, Google will stop showing trending searches in the autocomplete dropdown. If you're signed into a Google account, there's one more setting you may want to adjust. Go back to the main search settings page or use the menu on the left to navigate there. Look for a section called Search Personalization. In that section, you'll see an option to personalize search. Turning this off will stop Google from using your past activity to tailor search suggestions specifically for you. That means your suggestions will be more generic and less based on your history. After you've made these changes, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and make sure your changes are saved if you see a save option. Then, go back to the Google homepage and try typing in the search box or the address bar. You should now see far fewer suggestions, and in many cases, none of the trending or personalized ones.